How do I clear and start over in TaxAct Online? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to taxact.com. Now click on the sign in option. Once you click on this option on the sign in portal, you want to enter your username, then enter your password. Once you have entered both the details, click on the option of agree and sign in. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to navigate to the section where you are working on your return. Here you want to click on the option of reset your return. If you do not find this option, it is found in the settings. Now follow the prompts to confirm that you want to clear your return. Be aware that this action will delete all the information you have entered so far, so make sure that you are certain before proceeding. If you cannot find the option to reset your current return, you can start a new return from the scratch. For that, you want to click on the option of Start a New Return. This option is available in the main dashboard. Follow the prompts to begin a new return. You will need to enter your personal information again and start entering your tax information in the beginning. If you are facing any difficulty during this process, you can contact the customer support of TaxAct. They should be able to guide you through the process or provide further instructions based on your specific situation. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.